the returns were. And I'm not one of those people, those pricks that fucking take their cart and they just leave them like on the lawn.
Hate that.
You know, they
Hate
just,
that.
in the parking lot. Oh, no. They won't take their cart back to the cart
They leave it in the middle of a spot.
Those people.
Yes.
Our neighbor takes it to her house.
What?
Yeah, no, we have it on our
Why
sidewalk.
do you live under the garden? What are you? You're like street people. You're so hip. That's how hip these two are. Just live on the street with the people. Honestly, I had somebody that a few weeks ago left their cart in a spot.
Oh, come on.
Honestly, I almost went.
It's usually a foreigner.
Listen,
Floridian.
that was 2 hours ago. All I said was sometimes people who walk in front of you without saying, excuse me, have a certain ethnicity.
That's all.
Florida.
It's true.
Yes, but you can't say that.
I inferred. Back to how little it takes to make you feel good about your fellow people. Is I had just dropped my groceries in the car and I was walking toward probably about 30, 40 feet away from the cart return, and an elderly gentleman, even older than me, he said, here, I'll take that back, because that's where he was going. I was like, well, aren't you? I said, you're a very nice person.
Be the change.
Well, he was probably going to use it.
Well, whatever
Which
it was,
store
he was
was it?
taking it off my hand.
Right, nice.
Full free cart.
Jesus Christ, I usually have to wrestle with them in there.
You had to, so his intentions weren't as good as I thought. All I know is he was doing me a solid.
You know, sometimes more often than not at Costco, you go to pull the cart and it's stuck in there.
Yes. Yeah.
So you look around for one that's just, not part of that. So that was, the guy's thinking, I usually have to wrestle with those bastards, I'll take his.
Well, it seems people that put their carts like there's this little median that separates part of the grocery parking lot. They stick their carts on it. So that the special needs kid with the vest on has to go. I have to go.
The parking lot of that shopping boy.
I got this guy at my superstore. He's got to be 45, and he's somewhat something, and he's got the vest on, and he and I are buds now every time. He sees me, I always go, hey, make sure you stay warm. I'm staying warm. And I was nice to him, and now he talks to me every time. He also sings, I'm staying warm, my buddy, and he's a special needs guy.
You gotta love these people that love their jobs.
Yeah. You know, there's a guy
Kyle, he loves his job because he has no other skill.
No, I understand that, but you get people that really they have no skills in a lot of things, and they really. I'm not talking about like we're talking.
satisfaction level. There we go.
No, I'm not talking about people with disabilities. What I'm saying is, there's people like those older people, and they've been doing their jobs for so long, and that's all they have in their lives, and they go all out, and God love them.
Okay, thank you.
And they become all like Peters.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Back over there. And you come over here.
You know, how about this? The Metro in my subdivision, whatever, they still do the stupid thing where you have to put the quarter in to release it?
Yes.
You know this?
I heard that.
They're chained together, you put the quarter in to release it.
Yeah.
And to me, one of the most embarrassing things is, I've been out in the parking lot, and I'll be finished with it. Now, the idea is to take it back to get your quarter back. Well, I've had people on a busy day take my cart from me. And I find it embarrassing when they hand you the quarter. Like, they'll take a quarter out,
But you'll take it.
because mine's in the cart. But I would almost think, take it. I don't care about the quarter, because it's a pain in the ass anyway, the whole system. But when you're in the middle of a parking lot, you're a middle-aged man, and you keep that. No, it's just, you know how many times I've complained to these people, get rid of the system. It's so stupid.
That's the thrill.
You know, I would like to pass on a bit of...
You'll take it. Can I have to? No, it's too convenient. I want 2 quarters.
No, you'll take it. I have a little savings list.